Deactivate Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can deactivate Instagram account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to basically deactivate your Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Instagram application here. And as you do that, you want to simply tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then you want to simply tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen there. Then go to the option called Account Center. From Account Center, what you want to do is you simply want to go to this option here known as Personal Details. And once you go to Personal Details, what you want to do is simply go to Account Ownership and Control. Then go to this option here known as Deactivation or Deletion. And after that, simply select the Instagram account here. Just select the option called Deactivate Account, which will already get selected by default. Once you do that, you can tap and continue, and then you'll be able to deactivate it. This way you can deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.